Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Alright, thank you, I probably need it. Let's have a go. Let's see if this works. I've unloaded everything. Good. Fingers crossed, it's all good. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Somebody else done, mate. Somebody else done.
Okay, sweet. Good! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! We're back on! The diff's got good! Yes! But get it all the way around! Hell yeah! Oh, dude! Okay. Dude, that diff is 1,000 times better.
Alright.
I went straight into it and I was like, I normally had to go, this is an auto diff, so it's closer. Yeah. Normally I was second, limiter second, and then limiter second, and then third, but I was open diff the whole time.
Right.
This thing, third, and like, didn't even handbrake my second run.
Nice.
Well, handbraked entry, but the rest of it, I was like, man, what the, this thing needs an angle kit, bro. Like, I was like, what the, bro, I haven't drifted in almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Last time was with an open diff.
Heading out again now?
Yeah, I come in every 2 laps because it gets really hot.
Right.
The oil was 122.
Yeah. Cool.
I can do 2 laps max.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
I'll try and get some shots.
Yeah, man, cheers. Dude, last time I came here, I was open diff.
Is it skidding?
This time, welded diff from an auto, so closer, third gear the whole way, no problem.
Is it drifting?
Dude, so
So,
good.
do you want a passenger?
Oh, now? Yeah,
On?
yeah, jump in. Like, that was sick, man. Like, I was like amazed at that. Absolutely amazed.
Just relax.
Oh, yeah.
Just,
Hey, it's
just
working.
stay out of the gun. That's his mum.
Shit, I was telling her, I'm like, wish me luck, this thing's it's working really good. Oh, shit.
Get on back.
There you go. It's working really good, the car. That's awesome. Yeah, hey bro, what's your name?
Andy.
Andy, Steve. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
I come in every like 2 laps because the oil gets really hot. Yeah, oh actually, everything gets really hot. Honestly, man, it's night and day difference from last time I was here. night and day difference.
It 100% has power for it.
Yeah, on stock turbos too, so that's pretty cool. Hang on, 120. We'll see if it comes down a bit. Might have to, I'm sort of trying a bit different things, but I handbraked a bit more on that one, so I don't know. But yeah, this thing is surprising me, that's for sure. That's awesome.
How long have you had it?
Hey?
How long have you had it?
Oh, like 2 years now. I first took it here, oh no, like 3 years now, in 2020. I first took it here in January 2021, and then with a stock clutch, but the clutch was no good. And then January 2022 with the big clutch, but the diff was still average, like real bad really. And then I recently put a bigger intercooler and the loaded diff. And I was hoping it would make a difference, and it has made a huge difference. A huge, man, I can't, like, I've got a YouTube channel, right? So I've got videos of me being here. I'm still filming now. Like, the difference is insane. Like, insane. Yeah, so I might try it. See if it fits this time. That didn't work. Try the dipper, I guess.
Yeah, go the dipper. Of course, there's a recovery going on over there. You'll be held up there for a few minutes, so do the dipper.
Did my first one tonight. See how we go, eh?
Yeah, see how you go. Take it easy. There's 10 minutes left to go too.
Isn't it till 10?
Oh, well, actually not even that. It's probably about 7 minutes now.
It ends at 10, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's 9:27.
Oh well.
We can't come out after 9:30. So if I go back in, that'll be it for me. Alright, thank you. Hopefully I'll come back out.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you can go through, come around for one more.
So this lap and here again once?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, that'll be 3. I normally go in after 2 anyway. Thank you. smoother down there before. I'm sort of pushing it here. Bloody foam fell off. Brake light left phone now. That's fine.
You were told that was last run, yeah?
No, we said once, we'll come around once more and that'll be the last run.
Yeah, so as in like this run that you just did now was your last run and now it's into pits.
Oh, I thought he meant another one.
No, that's what he meant by last one is do that run and then into pits from here.
I can't do that one again.
No.
Oh.
So you can go through, come around for one more.
So this lap and here again once?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, from here you go straight into pits now.
No skids, right?
No skidding, no.
Then. Oh,
As soon as this car's clear, you're right to go.
alright. I've got to drive home on this car, don't I?
Yeah,
Oh, that would you
probably
too.
a good thing you don't do
Two
any
laps
more
ago.
runs.
Yeah, thank you. It's 9:32. What do they mean like they close at 10 like we got to be out of here at 10? But I don't know, at least we had a go at the dipper. I didn't get it so smooth though.
Oh, that was your
I pushed decently. Dude, I'm still pretty stoked. And like, this car performed so good. I'll just show you what happened. I don't know if you can tell here, but that wheel shouldn't be like that. Something's bent in there. And on this side, I reckon it's a little bit out. I went over the ripple strip pretty hard. And it seems to have knocked the wheels around a bit. So I'll just jack it up. I'm gonna change to my other wheels. You can see that wheel over there. I'm gonna put those wheels on here. I'll get the back jacked up and try and figure out what's going on back there. There's the wheels that were on the back, so I got some pretty good use out of them. They peeled off pretty hard, but yeah, they smoked up good, so that was cool. And if I turn around here, you'll see I've got the camber and the toe all sorted out again, and I've got black wheels on the car. Let's have a look at the other side. Yeah, these are the 9.5s that I skidded last year. And I've got the fronts on for the first time. They're only 8.5s, but that's right. They still look pretty cool. So yeah, I kind of like it. That's a very different look for the car from how it normally looks. So yeah, got my shades set up. Yeah, it's a bit of a different look. So yeah, might rock that for a little bit, see how we go. I've got to get new tyres for them. Well, I don't need to get new tyres. You can see the new tyres are right there. They should go on there. They're the same as what went on there. I bought 4 when I got them. So I just got to do that. But yeah, I think we're all fixed up again now. Super stoked on how well the Beamer went with that new Diff and that new intercooler. If you've seen those videos, it was fun as bacon third all the way around the track up at Queensland Raceway. I've never done that before actually. I used to be just limited bash second in the Sylvia and then hit third at the end, and did it all in third with that new Diff, which is sick. So yeah, pretty happy. Got some good laps in, made heaps of smoke, went through the tyres pretty well, and drove home still all good. A couple of little problems, like the cruise control's not working, DSC failure or something. I'll have to fix that and find out what's going on there. But anyway, if you want to share it around, please do, and give it a like, leave a comment if you want, and I'll try to get back to you. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.